In this video, we will learn how to use Jira Software for beginners. The #1 software development tool used by Agile teams. Let's get started. Create an account. You can sign up with email address, Google account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, or with Slack. I will go with a Google account. Enter your site name and click on Agree. It will take a few seconds to start up your site. Select a template for your first project. You can choose popular template that is a simple board to visualize your workflow. Second option is deliver work in short, repeatable time blocks. Or collaboration for business with teams. I will go with first one and click on next. Welcome. Let's get you settled in. You can take the tour, but I will choose Explore by myself. Here is my Jira Software dashboard. On the left side, you can see the timeline option, board. In development, you can see code, project pages, add a shortcut, and project settings. In the board, create an issue. Here enter what you need to be done. Let me enter the video creation and press enter. Let me add another issue, website project, and enter. You can see issues are created. You can check in progress and here complete project. You can drag these issues in progress and completion block as well. From here, you can add a custom block to the board. In the timeline, here enter what needs to be done yet and enter. From here, select your duration. Today, weeks, months, or quarters. Click over here, you can see a pop-up on the right side. You can add an attachment, add a child issue, links, web pages or more. You can add apps as well. In to-do list, you can see the project to do. In actions, you can manage or create automations. You're for watching /thank you for watching. M4AA description and style your text from here. Click on the next to a field label to start pinning. In detail, you can check assignee name your timeline, reporter. You can add restrictions, use watch option, and vote options as well. You can share this timeline, or in actions, you can add flag, can set with Slack channel, you can move, or create clone, delete, explore actions menu, make a print, explore an XML or Word document, and configure as well. In code, you can select a source code management tool. You can connect Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, and other source code management tools. In project pages, you can see on the right side, blank page, team homepage, product requirements, how to article, and decision documentation. In shortcuts, you can add a link to a frequently used resource, like a web page. Click on Add. Here enter the URL and name, click on Add. In project settings, you can see details of account. You can see access, notifications, automation, issue types, features, board, toolchain, and then apps. Let's go back to the project. If I go to the top navigation panel, in your work, assign to me, recent work, and on board projects. In the project, you can view your all project details or create a new project. You can apply a filter to sort out data of your projects or issues. Here you can create dashboard to track the status of your projects. In the team, you can invite people to share links or create a team by yourself. In apps, you can see the recommended tools for your team. Click on Explore More Apps. Here, discover apps and integrations for Jira. You can manage and request for an app from here. On the right top of the setting, you can see Atlassian Admin Tools, Jira Settings, and Personal Settings. From these dots, you can see Jira other software and recommended tools. In Create, you can create a new project. Check the issue type, status, a summary of the project, and a description. You can assign to your team member, choose a reporter. After completing, click on Create. From here, you can see notification, get help from Jira, and explore settings. You can manage your account or upgrade your plan from here. This is how you can use Jira software as a beginners. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.